It is time to wrap up the Paintbot project, since the main goal, having a picture in decent size in the living room, is finally achieved. Overall it took a bit longer than expected, but I also wasn't working on it all the time. I'm still playing with the machine, as you can see in the time-lapse playlist here on YouTube. It's kind of fun to search pictures I like and then watch the machine doing it. It has something satisfying to watch machines doing stuff completely autonomous. To get right to the point, this is the picture we have now in our living room. It actually looks even bigger in person and I'm happy with the result. The overall size is now 60 by 40 inches or 152 by 102 centimeters. It is on two stretched canvases 30 by 40 inches each. I'm not sure yet if I will put them in a frame, since I also like the way it is, and the floater frame prices in that size are also really high. We also have another Paintbot creation now in the living room, which is considerably smaller. The lips picture is 20 by 16 inches on scratched canvas, and that one is in a black floater frame. I also finished the third one recently. I want to put up, but not in the living room this time. This one will go somewhere else, otherwise it might get a bit much. The sky picture is on two 20 by 16 inches canvases, which I just put together in a frame. Overall I made now over 30 pictures with that machine. I lost track in the counting along the way a bit, and most of them came out pretty good. As mentioned in the blog post already, it's mostly better to pick a picture with single big thing and bigger details, since some of the details will get lost while painting anyway. Mostly due to slight overlapping of the color, which might be my fault since I'm still not able to get a real good water acrylic color ratio. I also keep getting questions through different channels, but some of the questions are just way too broad to give a proper answer. I will give an example here. This one I got over Instagram and try to give at least somehow an answer, but that is basically asking to explain how to do this from the beginning to the end. And I do not intend to do a programming tutorial thing here or something like that. I'm still happy to answer more specific questions though. I also want to get back to the color changer real quick, since I also got some questions about that. Long story short, I won't finish it. The whole purpose was to save some space and keep the colors from drying up, but I got better on mixing the colors with water, although it's still not perfect, and that pretty much solved the problem. Space turned out also not to be an issue, as you can see in the pictures here. Admittedly I was a bit lucky, but the pictures, color, water are fitting pretty much perfectly. So why did I not finish the color changer before beginning the big picture? The answer is mostly the delivery times we have right now. Everything seems to be in shipping 3 to 4 times as long as usual, and I was just sick of waiting for mostly electronic parts I needed. The mechanics are basically finished. I even made already an eagle design for the PCB and was ready to order the PCB when the components are here and I can do the final test on the breadboard. But like I said, not a point anymore. I will make the Eagle project available for download on my blog, so it hopefully will help somebody else on another project, or I can use it in the future for something. The Arduino code is also available on GitHub. As mentioned in the first video about it, you can use this to extend pretty much every GRBL controller with other features, and basically an additional Arduino board which will open quite some possibilities. Overall, I'm completely happy how this whole project and result turned out. It would have been probably cheaper buying one of those acrylic art prints which are widely available in that size, but that's not what I wanted and that's not the point. With the Paintbot I also have a new toy to play with now, which is quite fun and easy to use for other things. I made a holder for a pen and got a cutting knife for it already, but I have not really a good idea what to try with it yet. Maybe somebody has a good suggestion. The mount is a slightly changed version of what I found in another blog. I will link it. I'm still waiting for the laser I ordered, which is in transit for over 6 weeks now. This will open up some new possibilities for this machine, although I don't have anything specific in mind yet. If you have any pictures you think they would look really good and could work, please send me either the picture or a link and I will take a look. I still have quite some canvas here and I'm planning to use that. So what's gonna be next? I don't know yet, but I have some ideas. Thanks for watching.